Good morning and happy Friday. It is also Juneteenth. So today I just wish positive vibes, positive life, love, just extra blackness today. So yeah, let's get it. I pledge allegiance to the tribe that today will be filled with brown liquor and good vibes. On June 19th of 1865, an end to slavery came about. So today, let's take the time to embrace how far we've came and let our blackety black come the fuck out. So to my black brothers and sisters, let's continue this good fight. And for today, this is our time to shine even more. So let's get right. Ow. Now, but cheers to y'all. And let's be safe. Let's have fun today. Let's get it in. Embrace all of our people. And yes, love y'all.